Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Sugar Smart box. This is a monthly diabetic friendly subscription box. It's sugar free, low carb items. It's $34.95 a month, and you do get 7+ items. That's the month to month though. You can subscribe to longer subscription terms and you'll get a reduced price. I'm going to link below to my full review. I'm also going to link to Sugar Smart box so you can check them out. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing today to see what's in here. I'm excited. I love, by the way, I love finding new and delicious sugar-free snacks. So, snack away. Your Sugar Smart box has arrived. Did you... Oh, there's little spoilers on here. I don't want to read that. All right, so first we have... This is from LC Snack Pack, Jack Cheese and Pumpkin Seeds. So it's dehydrated cheese and pumpkin seeds. I didn't even know you could dehydrate cheese. I have a dehydrator. I'm always looking for new recipes. 2 grams per serving, diabetic friendly, gluten-free, paleo, keto, and LCHF. So that sounds delicious. This is a company I know. This is Fat Snacks. This is their chocolate chip cookie. These are made, I think, with pea protein, almond flour, erythritol, inulin, stevia extract. These are really good though, and they're like super crumbly and delicious. Just perfect. All right, next we have Keto Love Carrot Cake Almond Butter. I love nut butters. So this has stevia. It's the alternative sweetener is stevia extract. It's debittered though, which I've never had that. I've never seen that before, so I'm interested in trying it. I'm not going to open it yet. Oh, I can't wait to try it though, because I love nut butters. I love sunflower, almond, walnut, all of it. You can make them at home if you're interested in learning about that. I have a whole like blog post on it. I made it already, but this looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Then we have an Adapt. This is a company I've never heard of. This is a protein bar in their cookies and cream variety. This has 17 grams of protein and 1 gram of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. That's cool. Look at the picture. Doesn't that look decadent? So we're at what? 4 items already. Then we've got Noms Energy Bites. These are organic almonds, dates, cocoa, coconut flour, and fleur de sel. So that looks yummy. Ooh, I can't wait. I didn't take pictures yet, or I'd open it up and show you guys. I'll just have to link. I'll link to the review and you can see. I'll open it up so you can see what they look like. All right, then we've got, these are Curly Girls Candy, no sugar added, almond toffee. Ooh, and you can see these though. Look at the chocolates. Chocolates? All right, what alternative are they using? Erythritol. Erythritol and xylitol are pretty much my favorite sugar alternatives. I think they taste the most authentic. The sugar alcohols, those are the ones that I think. So they have orange. They have all sorts of delicious things in here. I can't wait to try this. All right, our final item, I think. Or is there more? Is there more? Ooh, there is more. Ew, ew. Okay. Ooh, more of the LC snack packs. This is blackberries and toasted coconut. I love coconut. And it's so good for you. Very, very good for you. I can't wait to try these, because if I really like these, I am going to go looking all around their website for low carb options. I think that's what LC means, right? All right, finally we have Healing Butterfly. Ooh, culinary grade A Japanese matcha green tea powder. So green tea powder is like very authentic. I have a whole tin of it downstairs. So you just pour this into your hot boiling water. And if you have one, use that bamboo. Have you ever seen those? And you like whisk it. That's the traditional way it's made, or you can just stir it with a spoon, and there you go. You've got green tea. So there's a fly in here. Yikes! So if you're interested in seeing the full review, I'll link to that below. If you're interested in checking out Sugar Smart Box, I'll also link to that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!